Hello, let's make this winter sign together. These are the materials we're going to be using. We're going to be using the Legion Stonehenge aluminum artist panels. And we're going to be using the Sharpie creative markers in brush tips and bullet tips. We're going to use blue, green, white, and gray. I sketched out my design with a pencil first. I used the big plate to make an outline for the wreath. And then after I finished with the design, I used the green marker, the brush tip, to draw the leaves with straight lines. Doesn't have to be really straight. The more crooked they are, I think they look cuter that way. I wrote hello with the white brush tip marker. And then I proceeded to write the word winter with the blue brush marker. Remember, when you're doing brush lettering, the downstrokes are thicker than the upstrokes. Now we're just finishing the bottom part of the wreath with more leaves. Using the gray bullet tip marker, we're gonna add a drop shadow to the word winter. And then let's add highlight to the word winter with a white brush tip marker. Let's finish it off with some dots around the wreath. And here is our finished piece of our Hello Winter sign. I also made a snowflake, a welcome sign, and a hot cocoa bar sign on the reverse side of the panel. To display these, you can hang them up on a wall, put them on an easel, you can put them in a picture frame, or you can make a layered gallery wall for your home. Enjoy!